Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Shapeshifter filter on Snapchat. It's very easy and simple to do. All you have to do is go to the link I have in the description or in the comments, and then it'll open you up to this website right here. It's just a link to Snapchat. All you want to do is click on the Open Snapchat button, and then click on Open. And then it'll open up in Snapchat. You just want to click on the Unlock for 48 hours. And then you can go ahead and try out the filter. You can just put it on your face, and then you can click another picture that you have here, and then it will change the face for you. Just like that. Really cool filter. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the Shapeshifter filter on Snapchat. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.